I'm Naoko at the Shizuku Japanese restaurant PDX. Stay home cooking number 2. You have the beautiful Leek. This Leek from the Jamie at the Spring Hills Organic Farm. Thank you, Jamie. And the rising kale and a populated kale. So our Spring Organic Farm is new name Eloisa Organic Farm. Say Jamie kale, Eloisa kale. Both I recommend cooking with kitsune udon. You have a Jamie or Eloisa. So these are first tuna. It's a white tuna. It's a new one is always small. I like a tuna green. It's beautiful. These also you have those are carrot from brand Works Organic Farm. Every farm is in a Portland Farmers Market. So you have a tiny carrot or the medium sized carrot is together. Enjoy just eating. Just, enjoy first the carrot flavor. So this one is chili pepper. That's I made pickles. So I set up the container 1 chili pepper with apple vinegar liquid. And also the minced garlic with the sake. So enjoy this week cooking. Thank you.